Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this stylish beads work blouse designing using the normal stitching needle. You can't believe that this is so simple, which you can try it on your old blouses. Also you can try this designing on new blouses if you want. These type of thread work designings are latest trending patterns which I'm gonna share you. And let's see the markings on the sleeves. We have to give the 1-inch markings like this. This is absolutely upon your requirement. You can mark the lines up to 8 lines. You can mark it to complete the sleeves. So on this I'd be marking the curve shape like this, upper curve and downwards curve like this. This is like the wave texture. Continue all this wavy type of sketching on all the lines. These are the reference lines which we gonna use for the designing. And on the neckline you have to mark 2 lines to give the border designing, and in that we'll create the thread work pattern. That means the teeny thread work flowers, all the lines must be unique, and this is how the lines would look. And for this designing I'd be using gold color chain bow lace of medium size and anchor thread of pink color, which is of 12 strands, and in between these gaps we have to give the markings like this. Here we have to give the thread work flower design, and to create the flower shape here I'll be using 12 strands of anchor thread, and these are the French knot flowers we are creating here. Firstly the center one, followed with the all around. That means it's of tiny flowers. The center line would be of 3 lines followed with the centers, which is of 2 on either sides. Now I'll be stitching the center ones. Here you can clearly see using the French knot. These type of designing you can easily try on your old blouses, removing the side stitches with the small size of frame, and follow these instructions to create this type of stylish designing. And the materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want you can check it. This is how on all the dots I would be creating the tiny flowers using 2 different colors of anchor threads. This is of dark pink, and here I would be using very light pink of anchor thread. So 2 color variations here we have to use it, and once the thread work is done this is how it looks. And on these wavy lines I'd be applying the glue lines like this, 2 lines, maintaining the equal gaps. This is how we have to apply the glue lines, and this is completely optional. You can directly place the chain bow lace and give an invisible stitches on it, or else this is the best option because it will be in place while stitching and will get the perfection and the neat work once the beautiful pattern is completed. This is how on all the lines we have to apply the glue lines like this, and now I'll be sticking the chain bow lace on these lines. So without leaving any gaps, place it on the glue and just tap it with your finger so that it will be in place. Once this is dried we have to give an invisible stitches on it so that it will stay for long run even after the frequent washes. And while washing also, do not never scrub, and don't use the harsh detergent so that the color may fade out. Use the mild shampoo so that the colors will stay for long run. This is how each and every line has to be created. And once this is dry, now I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it. For that I'd be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches on it, leaving 2 or 3 chain bow laces. Both at a time I'd be giving the stitch. And I'm almost done with this stylish yet beautiful looking creative trending thread work pattern, and this is how it looks once completed, the neckline and the sleeves. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the